don't know if you remember this song. Some of you might, if you're not too young, if you're not too old either. I remember it very well. So let me tell you the story of my life. Promise that it won't take very long. It's not about a hero with a boy running wild, what they used to call the golden child. I had no direction, I was just running with the wind, never knowing what the day might bring. I had no connection till you came into my world. You gave meaning to everything. I used to run, I used to hide, I'd cry all night. I would walk the streets alone, nowhere to call my home. Oh, when I looked into your eyes, I began to shine. You're way back upon my feet again. I kiss the summer rain. Yeah. Oh yeah. Spice it up a little. You see, the rain came falling down, it was never gonna end. Never gonna end. Like in the middle of July. Middle of July. You smiled up on my heart and made me a happy man. I even felt I was that golden child. I used to run, I used to hide, I'd cry all night. I would walk the streets alone, nowhere to call my home. But when I looked into your eyes, I began to shine. You put me back upon my feet again. I kiss the summer rain. I used to run, I used to hide, I'd cry all night. I would walk the streets alone, nowhere to call my home. When I looked into your eyes, I began to shine. You put me back upon my feet again. I used to run, I used to hide, I'd cry all night. I would walk the streets alone, nowhere to call my home. But when I looked into your eyes, I began to shine. You put me back upon my feet again. I used to run and hide, I'd cry all night. I would walk the streets alone, nowhere to call my home. But when I looked into your eyes, I began to shine. You put me back upon my feet again. I kiss the summer rain. Summer rain. It's the summer